So hello everyone, good day to you. I am Aaron James Enferon from Naga College Foundation. I am a first year student, section BSN 1D. So today, the topic or the disease that I will report is cystic fibrosis. So let's get started. Um, After this lesson or this presentation, the listener is expected to explain what is cystic fibrosis, interventions to cystic fibrosis, explanation of cystic fibrosis in a simplified manner. Cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis, CF. Remember guys, if you see CF in the following slide, it means cystic fibrosis, okay? Cystic fibrosis is a condition passed down in families that causes damage to the lungs, digestive system, and other organs in the body. So it means guys, it is passed down in the families. Ito ay namamana. Okay? CF affects the cells that makes mucus, sweat, and digestive juices. Those fluids, also called secretions, are usually thin and slippery to protect the body's internal tubes and ducts and make them smooth pathways. But in people with CF or cystic fibrosis, a change gene causes the secretion to become sticky and thick. The secretion plug up pathways, especially in the lungs and the pancreas. Okay? Next is the six cystic fibrosis 3 major intervention. This interventions comes from the APA 7th edition format. Okay, it is in Nanda format. First is the ineffective airway clearance. The nursing diagnosis, ineffective airway clearance related to thick tenacious pulmonary secretions as evidenced by persistent coughing, abnormal breath sounds, dyspnea, frequent lung infection. The goal is to patients will demonstrate effective airway clearance as evidenced by improved breath sounds and reduced coughing within 3 days. The intervention that the nurse do perform chest physiotherapy, example given percussion, postural drainage 2 to 3 times daily. Okay, B, encourage use of positive expiratory pressure, EP, device. C, administer prescribe bronchodilators and mucolytics, example given, Dornase alpha. In the rationale, airway clearance techniques help loosen and mobilize mucus, reducing infection risk and improving oxygenation. The next, the imbalanced nutrition, less than body requirements. Nursing diagnosis, imbalanced nutrition, less than body requirements. Related to inability to digest and absorb nutrients due to pancreatic insufficiency, as evidenced by weight loss, steatorrhea, fatty stools, poor muscle tone. Goal, patient will demonstrate improved nutritional status as evidenced by weight gain and normalized stool consistency within 2 weeks. If you don't know guys what is stool, yan yung tae natin. Ano po? Intervention, A, administer pancreatic enzymes, replacements with all meals and snacks, encourage high calorie, high protein meals and snacks, monitor weight and stool characteristics regularly. Okay, next is the rationale. PERT aids in digestion and nutrient absorption, helping to support growth and prevent malnutrition. Next, the anxiety for child or family. Nanda diagnosis, anxiety, related to chronic illness management, fear of complications or hospitalizations, as evidenced by restlessness, verbalization of concern, increased heart rate. The goal, patient or family will verbalize reduced anxiety and demonstrate coping strategies within 3 days. Nursing intervention, provide emotional support and active listening, educate family about CF or cystic fibrosis management and treatment plan, refer to mental health services or support groups is needed. Rationale, emotional support help reduce psychological stress, education reduces fear of the unknown, support groups offer shared experience and coping strategies. So guys, keep it in mind na hindi lang pala siya sa physical na na kung ano yung cystic fibrosis nakaka-damage. It is also damaging our emotional and well-being. Okay? So, here is the treatment. Sabi daw, while there's no cure, treatment has advanced significantly. Wala daw cure, wala pa daw gamot na nagagawa sa cystic fibrosis. So, sa airway clearance, just physiotherapy. Inhaled medication, example given, hypotonic saline, Dornase alpha. Okay? Medication, CFTR modulators, example given, Trikafta, Kalydeco, target-specific mutations, antibiotics, oral inhale, IV, to treat or prevent infection, bronchodilators, anti-inflammatory drugs. Sa digestive support naman, pancreatic enzyme supplements, high-calorie deficit, vitamin supplements, ADEC or ADEC. Advanced option, lung transplantation kapag severe na ang cases. Okay guys, tandaan natin na ang treatment dyan is wala pa siyang cure. Pero pwede natin siyang makontrol. Ano po? Next. So lastly, here is the references that I've used. Okay guys, let's get some breakdown po. Cystic fibrosis is a genetic disease. Okay, sa kanya is airway, anxiety, and the malnutrition or the food diet. Okay guys, so I hope that you learned something from my report. That's all. Thank you.